a meeting in 2 minutes, but coffee calls. 10:59, we have a minute. It's 11, okay. And it's 11, calling them now.
Please leave a short message.
Yes. Have you ever wanted to beat the price of your competitors with your marketplace? Assuming that you have a marketplace filled with... Why do I do that?
3,
Okay.
2.
Have you ever wanted to beat your competition with its pricing, but you can't keep up to date? Don't worry, I've got the perfect app for you. Oh no. Remember to like and follow for more. This is what we do in the office. I can't stop, won't stop. This is so much fun. Do you own or know someone who owns an online marketplace? If you do, keep on watching. Have you ever wanted to beat your competition with its pricing, but you can't keep up to date? Don't worry, I've got the perfect app for you. The app is called Prisync. It's available on Shopify. It's a paid app, but hear me out. It will price match and undercut your competitors by a couple of dollars. You can make your rules, you can make it happen, and basically that's how you can win in the marketplace. This is awesome for Google Shopping, and make sure you tell the world about this because it's a freaking awesome app that I think a lot of people should have if you're a marketplace. If you want to see more videos like this, remember to like and follow for more. A meeting in 2 minutes, but coffee calls, so I'm going to prioritize that. And then just one shot, because 2 shots will, you never know if you're going to be a ball of fun or just an anxious mess, so I'm not willing to take that chance today. I reckon I've got under a minute, handful of seconds till my call, and I really like extra hot coffee, so this is going to take a while. I've also got to clean up. Let's double check the time. 10:59, we have a minute. It's 11, okay. And it's 11, calling them now.
Please leave a short message.
Yes. So funny. Oh, okay, he's calling back. Hello? No. I am very happy to go ahead. That's awesome. Yeah, we're super excited. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to quickly jump on here and have a quick chat to you guys. We've got a really cool vlog in place for you guys, but I wanted to also just talk about a quick app that a few of you may know about, or some of you might be like, I've kind of heard this going around, and it is the Clubhouse app. Just quickly wanted to give a big kind of shout out towards it because I think it's making a lot of noise at the moment, and I think it's something that as a marketer we should have on our radar and really identify ways that we can have a voice on there, or at least like be aware of its potential and where it can go. It was recently valued at $5 billion, which is just absolutely insane. So there are a lot of people that are seeing the amazing potential that it can have. And so essentially you do have to be a member to get invited. It's got quite an exclusivity to it, but it's quite unique. I think that's quite clever to make it such a exclusive way to get in. Then once you're in there, it's all about kind of having conversations that are live with people in different groups that are talking about different things. So you could find yourself in a group that's related to entrepreneurship or leadership, and you can almost like have conversations and listen directly to people that you've always wanted to be mentored by, or people that are in positions that you would love to be in, or also help out people that potentially are kind of listening into conversations that are to do with their sort of business, and you can help them. So it's such a great engaging network in order to learn new things, get engaged with new people, facilitate conversations yourself and be involved, or also be an active listener. And so as opposed to listening to, we all do love a good top 40 hit song, but as opposed to listening to that, you could be listening to a Clubhouse conversation in real time. And I think there's something really special about it being so off the cuff and not sort of presented in a way that can be edited and formulated. It is really just sort of active thoughts that are happening. And also it's great for diversifying thoughts as well. I think that there's such room to learn about new areas that you're not privy to. So maybe it's something to do with travel or to do with homewares, or you could be really leading into the space of your sort of career. And particularly if you're in marketing, business, advertising, there are so many incredible groups that you can kind of start to build your own following and facilitate and build your own conversations and kind of grow a network yourself, or really sort of get your skills up and your knowledge up there. So wanted to talk to you guys about that. I'm really curious to see where it will go and how they're going to make that social profile that you do get on the app a lot more enticing, and how can they get people like really into that app every single day, I think will be the biggest challenge. I think that there's some great leaders on there that really bring the masses over, the fact that they're actively on there having conversations, but how can they compete in spaces like LinkedIn, where LinkedIn has like, you know, professional networks, and I feel like in Clubhouse, a lot of that is also professional networking. So how can they make sure that they compete in that space with them? And also in podcasts, like how does that then affect the future of podcasts if you can listen to things in real time? So yeah, just wanted to have a conversation about that, just something to brew on. Would love your thoughts on it. If you have Clubhouse, let me know down below. Leave your account. I'd love to check out your social profile. And then also, do you think that it's got potential? Do you think it'll last long term, or do you think that they won't innovate in time and potentially will fizzle out as a business? So very curious to hear your thoughts. And now we'll get on to the rest of the vlog.
Getting enough sleep, which we touched on earlier, is so important. I would love to have 9 or 10, but
I get by on 8.
yeah,
And
I get by on 8.
any less than 8, I'm just a really cranky old guy.
Yeah.